Welcome, today in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9 and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press to power key button we can launch just the flashlight. And if you wanna just change this feature, for example, to take a screenshot or another option, by double press to power key button, we should first open the settings and then scroll it down to the advanced options. Then you'll see here the smart key. And for example, we can open the Google Assistant, we can use the voice input, or for example, let's use the customization. So click here to the settings, we can open the app here, just any application. For example, let's open the clock app here, yeah. And now let's press twice to power key, and now we can see that we just successfully opened the clock app. Also, we can just change it just to open another application or to quick access to any option, for example, to use the Wi-Fi, don't disturb mode. Now we have the flashlight, we can use the screenshot, calculator, timer, and more and other features. So just by this way, you can use, for example, let's use our weather search. And now just let's use the double press power key and we can see here the weather search. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.